Hey, wow, look, it came in the UPS delivery. I just got my WeatherTech No Drill mud flaps for the Ram TRX. Here it is. You know, it's crazy. I went away to Tennessee. I totally forgot I even ordered those damn things. So let's check them out and see how they look on the Ram TRX. I'm not going to install them tonight, but let's just see how they look from the get-go without even putting them on. Now, I've always have liked the WeatherTech stuff, but you know what? I like the Husky stuff as well. Each has their own little type of pattern. This has more of a square, a real square bottom, a real straight line versus a curvature. Let's just see how this is going to look on the Ram TRX right now. It's pretty crazy. I actually bought a set of mud flaps for my Raptor 37 over there. I've never even checked them out. I got my dog here that must always be in my way. Look at that. Wow. Perfect fit. Is that nice? I mean, that really is awesome. And what's entailed to do it? I just take, wow, I could probably knock this out faster than I thought. Wow, that's great. Okay, let's check out the front ones. And this looks really cool. The forwards are a little bit of a project, but I haven't done a Ram in a while. And look at this here. Same thing. Wow, that is so cool. And all the bolts are right there. So this should not be that difficult a job to do. That is so awesome. I'm excited about this now. I'm pretty excited. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get this bad boy started up, move her into a better position here for me to work on her. So that's what I'm going to do. Wow. I'm really impressed. And that looks like to be a very simple installation. All right, let's get into the Ram TRX. I love the memory seats where you can have the daughter drives it or I drive it, automatically adjust to that person's stature, and that's a great thing. So let me get in this thing. Where is the kid? Where'd my kid run off to today, right? So let's get her moving to the place. Got her position in place. I'm turning the left wheel out left, I think would be the better way to get that up front. Then we get my tools out and make this thing happen. But she should go pretty quick, or am I going to eat my own words? It's always cool to have the right tool, speed tool. See that there? Just get to work. Takes a number 8mm socket, pretty standard automotive use. Just center off. Isn't that nice? See that? Just drop that screw right there. Grab the next one right here. See, the speed guns make your life so much easier, so much faster. Wow, too damn easy. I mean, this is the easiest mud flap install I've done ever. This is just crazy. I mean, it's unbelievable. I mean, look at this. And I haven't even really tightened it up. I'm still kind of adjusted. But wow. Ball boy went to participate, so now we're on the front. And the same thing. Just very, very easy. It's incredible. I can't get over how nice this is. You have no idea how many of these mud flap installs. But he just wants to play with the ball. Ball boy. Yep, ball boy. Yeah, WeatherTech. I am so impressed right now. It never goes this simple. Let's see. I mean, this is crazy. Wow. I'm blown away on how easy this is going. I just can't believe it personally. I mean, just no way. Okay, just did the front. Beyond believable. And I know some people may be like, well, there's a little gap there. Yeah, who cares? Truck. The goal is not let these big ass tires just really ruin the bottom of your truck. That's what happens. Now to the next side. So you see what happens here? You start getting all this mud, rocks, all that starts chipping up the bottom of your paint. I just cleaned off the back. But yeah, so that's why you want mud flaps. Just so much protects the side of your truck. Yes, look at this stance. I think this just gives this truck an even more really good looking stance about it. So I like it. There's that side. We haven't done this side yet. This side looks naked. So we're gonna do that next. Whenever the kid is. Kid's been gone a long time. A little concerned. Oh, it's always one. Ever notice you do a project? This one here will not come out, so I got to get violent with it. So it's such a joke. It's always about one. Yep. Somebody stripped this one out. With any luck, in my parts bin, I'll have one of these. How about that? I found one. I got it. That's a blessing. Having the right tools and the right replacement parts is always a blessing, not of the back. Well, speak of the little devil. Good Lord. Glad there ain't no dogs in front of her. Yeah, Jesus Christ. Yikes, right? Yikes. Yikes. Wow, Skr. All I can say, that's the fastest install of mud flaps, splash guards, whatever you want to call them, on any vehicle I've ever done. I mean, that was the precision fit like never seen. I mean, I got this Ford Raptor with WeatherTech and Husky to make my final decision which one I want, and I'll be blown away. See these things here? Possible. It's possible. I think it's more of a project. I've done these things so many times. But look at this here. I think the truck looks fantastic. I love the more aggressive look with the mud flaps. Some may not like it. I love it. And what's crazy is I literally forgot that I ordered those mud flaps. Isn't that crazy? I'm not lying to you. And I'm just glad I went by the Ram Dodge dealer and asked the parts guy for a set of mud flaps. He did me a favor. He didn't have it. He couldn't figure it out. He couldn't figure out what fits the truck. So I was blessed. So the WeatherTech mud flaps, direct, great pricing. I think I paid like $80 or something like for these things. So WeatherTech, no drill, mud flaps. It's on their website. It says specifically for the Ram TRX, like right here. So, you see that right there? So there's your part for your rear one, and then here's your part number for your front one. I'll take a picture of them. And there you go. Another project on the Ice Age TV. The projects never end. My smoker isn't doing very great this evening. I guess the moisture. I don't know what's going on. This thing's a project. Keep the barns, the birds out of the barn. Oh, it's another long day. I talk a lot, can you tell? So that's it. I'm done. Hope this video helps you get the Ram TRX mud flaps for your Ram TRX. Now, there's not a ton of TRX people out there, so this would be a very small percentage of viewers because this is not a dominant vehicle. It's an expensive vehicle, and most people don't own them. But if you do, and I hope this helps you make a decision on the WeatherTech versus the factory Ram ones, I don't even know what they look like. The selling dealer couldn't even figure it out. So, as always, thanks for watching. God bless. Have a great evening.